I used to think kickboxing was just about throwing punches and kicks, but I quickly learned it's so much more than that. It's a full-body workout that pushes you to your limits and beyond. When I first stepped into that gym, I had no idea how much it would change me. The first few classes were brutal. My muscles ached, and I struggled to keep up with the combinations. But as the weeks went by, I started to notice a change. My body was getting stronger, my endurance was increasing, and I was feeling more confident than ever before. Kickboxing became my escape, my therapy. Every time I stepped onto the mat, all my worries and stress melted away. It was just me and the bag, pushing myself to be better, stronger, faster. I remember the first time I landed a perfect roundhouse kick. The sound of my foot connecting with the bag echoed through the gym, and I felt a rush of adrenaline like never before. It was in that moment that I realized the power I held within me. As I continued to train, I could feel my strength growing with each punch and kick. My arms and legs became toned and defined, and I could feel the power behind every strike. Kickboxing wasn't just about physical strength, it was about mental strength too. It taught me discipline, focus, and determination. Endurance was something I never thought I had, but kickboxing brought it out of me. The intense cardio workouts pushed me to my limits, but I never gave up. I pushed through the exhaustion, the sweat dripping down my face, knowing that each punch and kick was making me stronger. I started to notice changes in other areas of my life too. I had more energy throughout the day, I slept better at night, and my confidence soared. I walked taller, spoke with more conviction, and faced challenges head-on. Kickboxing became more than just a workout for me. It became a way of life. It taught me to never back down, to always fight for what I believe in, and to never underestimate my own strength. So if you ever find yourself doubting your abilities, feeling weak or defeated, just remember the power of kickboxing. It will push you to your limits, make you stronger than you ever thought possible, and show you that you are capable of anything. Kickboxing isn't just about increasing strength and endurance. It's about unlocking the warrior within you.